Yo, what's up guys, CreedNESS here, and welcome back to the second Making a Batch RPG tutorial. Today we're going to be working on the saving and the loading of our data here. It's really simple. So in the loading what we're going to do is, it's going to CLS, and not that. We're going to do a little bit of echoing here. We're going to do, number one, actually no, it'll be, please select. And it'll say number one will be load. Number two will be new save. Yeah, that'll be good. Then we're gonna set slash p. We'll do load for this one. Equal to, there we go. So we're gonna do it if percent load percent EQ. Oop, not RQ. If it equals 1, load equals 1, we're going to go to, where are we going to go? We're going to go to load, basically, I guess. Yeah. No, not load. We're going to go to load.check. So we're going to check if it exists, and if percent load percent EQ2, we're going to go to new load. Actually, no, we'll do load.new. And under all of this, we're just going to go to menu. And let me show you guys a little trick that I figured out. So if we go ahead and run this now, oh, not, what am I saying? If we'll go ahead and run this now, as you can see, it looks nice. But if we click enter, it gives us an error. But if we type in random stuff, ooh, that's number one. But yeah, I put go to menu, that's why. Go to load. If we type in random stuff here, you'll see that it does fine, but if we could just click enter, wait, let's see that right there. Well, what we need to do here is I'm going to set load equal to 99. Right here is our load variable. Before we even use it, we're going to set it to 99, and down here I'm going to put if percent load percent EQ 99. I'm just going to go to load. So what this will do, if someone just clicks enter without anything, it won't send you an error. It'll actually just won't do anything. As you can see, I'm spamming that button, but nothing's happening. So that's just a little trick. So we're gonna make the load.check now. So we're gonna say, please enter your name. So set slash p user will be equal to like that. Then we're going to do if percent, oop, not user. So if percent user percent dot bat, so wait, I'm going to, if exist user dot bat, I'm going to /f, I'm pretty sure it's percent user percent dot bat. Wait one sec. Is it? Kind of forgotten how the load code goes. Here guys, I'll be right back. I'm just gonna cut this out and I'm gonna forgot how this code here goes. Just give me a sec. I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back and I figured out the code here. It was /f percent a n user dot bat do set percent a. So what this will do, it'll check. You enter your name, which will be the name of your file that you saved, which we'll set that up in a minute. It'll check if that exists, and if it does exist, it's going to load it. Then we're just gonna CLS and we're gonna say successful. Ooh, successful. We're gonna make a little space. Yeah, we don't need to do that. We're just gonna do a pause with a null. Now this null right here, all it does is make it where you can't see the pause, if you didn't already know that. After that, we're just gonna go to menu. So that's the basic loading. That's the bare minimum, basically. Now in the save, it's really simple. All we need to do is type this, the echo, or HP will be equal to percent HP. Echo exp would be equal to percent exp. Echo exp till will be equal to percent exp2. And we just gotta do this for all of them. And I'll come back to you when I'm done. So, alright guys, I'm back, and I finished typing them all out. So what you want to do now is cap it off with another parenthesis. Then you want to put the, I think that's the greater than sign, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I think so. Then you want to do percent user percent dot bet. What this will do is it's going to echo, this is basically, it's going to echo all of these in the user dot bet. So whenever you make a new thing, or make a new save, actually, we haven't set up the new yet. But whenever we check for a new load, which is basically when we load in, or yeah, when we load into the game, we're going to set this user. So whenever we go to save, it'll just save it into the user's bat. And whenever you go to load it, it'll be in the user.bat. So that's really simple. And now we're just going to add the new save, so we can basically make a new save. So what this will do is, it's going to say, please enter a name. Basically the same thing up here. Please enter a name, though. So set /p user, actually we're going to do new user, equal to, then we're going to CLS, and we're going to put is percent new user percent. I'm going to do correct. Then we're going to give it a couple spaces, and we're going to set /p yn, which is for yes and no. And in these parentheses, I'm going to put some square brackets and y/n with this. So we're going to do if percent yn percent equal u y. We're going to go to save. Actually, no, we're going to put this as user, guys, because the way I have the save set up, whenever it goes to save, it's just going to do this. Then I'm going to have it go to, actually, I'm going to say CLS successfully saved your game with a pause and a null and a go to menu. Alright, so back where we were up here, I'm just going to copy this. Oop, whoa, that's not what I wanted to do. It's going to do it that many times, and we're going to change this to lowercase y, capital N, and if it's no, if they say no, it's not correct, we're just going to go back to the load. And we're going to set up our same thing we did here. We're going to set yn equal to 99, and if yn equal 99, we're going to go to well, if we go here, it's going to ask you for a new thing. Actually, that'll be fine. That'll be fine for now. Load.new. Might change it later, though. Alright, so this should work. So if I go ahead and, where's it at? I think this one right here. So if I go ahead and run it now, and I click new save, I'm going to enter a name. I'm going to enter Creed. So is Creed correct? I'm going to say yes. Successfully saved your game. Now if you look in your file here, it made a file called creed.bat, and if you edit that, if this is happening to you as well, what you need to do is, in the data, it's going to go to save, and instead of going to save whenever you make a new username, it's going to go to data, which will basically set the data before it saves it. That's how you can fix this little error right here. So I'm just going to delete this file. Save. And delete that file right there. So let's try it again. Now when we click new and we do Creed, yes, it's correct. Successfully saved. And now when we look in it, it should, yep, see it's set all of our, as you can see, one sec. See, as you can see here, all of our variables are saved. Now if we go in here and we put like, say our gold to like 9999, our damage to like, 50, 5,000, or whatever, and just do random numbers in here. If I save this, and I go in the game and I load it, as you can see, our variables are here. So basically that's the successful loading and saving of our game. So that'll be our second tutorial on our... That's not what I wanted to do. Our second tutorial on our batch RPG game. It's coming together nicely. In this tutorial, all we did was basically set up our loading. So basically, whenever you get into the game and get real far into it, you can load from where you were before. So if you guys like this video, remember to like the video, obviously, and subscribe if you want more. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. See you later.